All right, here we are, Thursdays, 3 o'clock, our last one for the season, Cooking with Grandma Tanner. Today she is going to use our tomato basil soup base and make chicken with rice with the soup base. So very easy, simple, quick meal. You had it for dinner last night, you said? You and Grandpa?
Have it. We did have it for dinner. Richard got a new knee, and we just thought soup would be nice on a cold evening.
Yeah. When did Grandpa Tanner got his knee replaced? When?
Tuesday, the 8th.
Okay, and he's been down here.
Oh yeah, he wants to come down as soon as I get done with this. I gotta go get him on the golf cart, no less.
He's down here shuffling around in his walker, so didn't slow him down too much. He'll be like a new man when great grandpa, his dad, got his knees replaced. They said it was like they couldn't keep up with him. So
Well,
all right,
he got them both done at the same time.
Yeah. All right. So Grandma Tanner.
So I have that. This is the right here, tomato basil soup base. So you add a cup of water or milk, a tablespoon of butter, and then I'm going to put this butter in here.
Now I made it once with, I make it with water. I made it once with milk, and I didn't like it with milk, but I liked it with water.
If you like it real creamy. So I've got about a cup of rice here. I'm going to stir that around in there. Turn this off. And then I used minute rice, and I did that in the microwave, so that's easier yet. So your children could almost make this. Stir it around. I'm going to add the water, 1 cup of water. And I think since you're putting this rice and chicken in here, you could even add a little bit more. So I got chicken from the bakery, and I just chopped it up. It's a little over a cup.
So it's like pre-cooked.
It's pre-cooked chicken. So if you have a chicken breast at home or some leftover chicken, just chop it up and put it in there. Richard said, I bet shrimp would be good in that tomato basil.
Oh, yeah.
So we might try that sometime. But these soups are on sale. You buy 2, you get the 3rd one free. And this is another garden vegetable soup base. And the same thing, you add, well, you can add a half a pound of beef or chicken with this and a little bit of water, and a cup of water. These are real thick soup bases and lots of flavor to them. So it's got...
So that's all there is to it.
That is all there is to it, and this should make about 3 to 4 servings. I would say almost 4.
So you put a cup of cooked rice in there.
Cup of cooked rice and a
cup of water.
A cup of water and a cup of chicken. It might have been a little bit more chicken and a little bit more rice. Okay. So you can add whatever you want. And then you just heat it up and steam it for a little while, and it's good to go with some crackers and a salad or cheese. But since this is our last one, I want to thank everybody for watching my cooking demonstration all these Thursdays from August through the end of November. Now, everybody have a Thanksgiving holiday next Thursday, so I won't be here, but I'm hoping everybody has a nice holiday and a wonderful Christmas.
So, yeah.
And this Saturday, we're having Santa come.
Yep. Santa will be here. He'll be here. We have breakfast at 8, but you had to buy your tickets for the breakfast online. There were 2 tickets left this morning. I'm not sure if they're still left. But you can come. He'll stick around for a while. He'll probably stick around till noon or 2 o'clock on Saturday if you want to come get pictures with Santa in the sleigh.
Yes, so we have an antique sleigh.
So if you don't, if you can't get tickets to the breakfast, or you can't get here at 8 o'clock, if you did get tickets, I guess, if you could get them, Come around, I think about 11 o'clock noon, and he'll still be here, and you can get pictures with him. Your kids can see him. We're doing some other fun little photo opportunities that you can get a family picture. I know my friend Summer Dave, they're coming from Bloomington. They borrow our picnic tables for their Thanksgiving, and they're coming to get picnic tables, and she goes, oh, we're going to come and get Santa pictures. So that'll be a fun day.
And we have if you bring a food item, you get 30% off of a non-food item.
Non-food, non-sale, yep.
Non-sale.
So yeah, that's a good one.
And our cider is, we just put that on sale yesterday. Buy 2 gallon, get the third one free. And a lot of our gourmet foods are that way.
Yep. So you got about, a week and a half left? That's all we got. And then we'll be closing up for the season. So if you want to come in, stock up for winter on some of our products. These soup bases, they are a good quick meal. I've used them quite a bit, actually. Grilled cheese and tomato soup, or even the vegetable one is good with beef in it. We also have corn salsas and jams and dressings, and we have some other soup mixes that are a little bit more work than these, so I don't use those very often. I'm always fast. But
this is really good. This tomato basil, it's a nice flavor.
Yep. So Grandma Tanner will be cooking again come August of 2023. So everybody have a happy Thanksgiving and a Merry Christmas, New Year, Valentine's. Go on and on.
Yeah. Thank you for watching all these Thursdays.
All right. Thanks, Grandma Tanner.